Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everyting
Nevie.
Jamaican.
How you answer, sir?
And with him is my husband Marcel.
Oh, sir.
Nevie, good morning. How you do?
Not too bad, no.
What going this morning? Lord of mercy, I've gone back on your fire again.
What happened to the stove? Me I tell you, no good.
Stove mash up.
No good, me I tired.
The stove mash up?
And gas in there, me not turn on.
His stove not good, man.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
You know, that's why we come sell it, you know. And we up and down, we are trying to get one stove. We call hardware and wire shop, they don't have.
Miss
Then with the people where we check.
Miss Mother, no sell stove.
Who?
The one up the cross, no, there, so.
Who is that? Before you enter this road?
Yes, ma'am. Over the other side.
No shop not did
But I blue a container?
Yes.
We don't know.
Oh,
Yes,
we don't
ma'am.
know.
Yes, me here, so they sell stove over there.
Lord.
I tell you, man.
Well, I forgot. Check out that. So where you cook, Nevie?
Make a tea me a boil, man.
Oh, what kind of tea?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Yes, man.
Oh, okay. So we come this morning for and put up your ceiling. Even they are with we too now.
Yes, ma'am.
Even they a long time before.
Long time from
No morning.
Yes,
so you never make your tea, making get some.
I mean, the vacancy for me, so now come soon, you know. For me,
No, we would have come soon, but because we had, yeah,
Oh,
because we got to try.
Glad man, me say brother, if you not
We not
done
get this.
We not get it.
them not know say you not get it, but me still did that try. You still a try.
We buy a Christian tomorrow, you know, man.
Yes,
Yeah.
man. Oh God, me I tell you, say no good me I
We
eat
don't
that.
say hard for you, man.
You know for me no eat.
I see we carry our chicken, you have to go cook it on it with fire, car.
We carry our groceries this morning, Nevie from Lady Dean, England.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and you remember when, well, I don't know if you remember that, but a lady had donated so that she wanted us to buy you a solar fan, but we couldn't get any.
Me no want no solar now, no
You
fan.
don't want no fan?
No,
But anyhow,
The solar, me that with the solar, but me no want this.
you know, fan. We never get it anyway, but she said that we must repurpose the money that she sent and buy you a blanket and a pair of sheet, so we buy it and carry
Oh
it.
gosh, you know say I like around 6 sheet me have in there now.
But I know nothing, you can't too much, Nevie. You can't too
Sheet me
much.
have in there, so me you can't done.
Oh, so you don't want this one then?
Yeah, man.
Because
So that give me money.
we have to do what?
Give me money.
Give you which money? Which part me I go get it now? Eh? Marcel! Marcel, so me have to give him back your money. See, look here, feel this, feel this.
We take a blanket.
You go take the sheet too, cause that's two of them.
Oh God. But I'll miss one out there so.
Oh,
You want up here so. What do you call him? Oh, here you go catch your water.
catch the water. Right at this house here, so?
Yes, where you go catch water?
Miss Ivy?
Yes, man, give me a sheet too.
Oh, well, we wouldn't know.
Yeah.
But we are grateful to the donor for sending it.
Yes, man.
Him say him have a whole heap of sheet. Miss Evie give him some sheet as well.
Remember, say man asked for sheet yesterday, so you can't.
There's somebody who asked us for a sheet yesterday, no, so
You
if
can't give him so.
you can't give him.
No, sir.
What you say to me? Talk to me, the Mass Nevie.
No, them have to bite Miss B.
Oh, but Mass Nevie, hear what me I say to you now. You just tell me.
Somebody send come give me and if you take it gateway. So make it cheap. It's actually me put it down there.
Oh, you prefer put it down than to give it away?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Okay. But because you were saying you never want no more sheet, that's why we were saying that. So you decide to keep it now?
Yes, me I'll keep it then when I
Okay.
Then one go give it a Nevie.
Mass Nevie saying, Mass Nevie, your water boil, your tea boil up.
But yeah, but my people who me get sent from me, I'm not getting nothing from nowhere else. My people
Give man a sheet.
You saying can't do it so?
If my people never come, they
Can't
don't
go
get
get
nothing.
something
Nobody
and
no give me
give it
nothing
away.
body. No, you see me
You
there.
have that in your hand.
Huh?
Somebody come from you know?
Yes, but that's somebody we know
You have
me.
his pass on to man.
Somebody we know me pa.
Mass Nevie, remember it's in giving that you receive, okay?
Yes, sir.
So if you say I have a lot and you are able to share, then you have to share.
When they can't, then they hold me, can't give me if I'm small.
Small.
If you can't give me.
I don't sell it, come to sell.
Bella, you know, come to give me that also.
Oh, bro. All right.
Yeah, do that. If you give me, if a man give me $500, you know, tell me in a difficult, you know, for a difficult me, you know, I will buy and you could have spec you buy food. Then
All right.
You're a tape that.
You get one tape.
We promise him long. Me give me and he can't back on give me.
No, we never get it.
But
No.
you for use it, but him shouldn't give me what I'm
Because me they give him in a but he
me buy one next one.
him never sure. So him say next time. Yeah. You did the right thing.
Alright, that's how we do it. So Mr. Nevie, have to do the right thing then.
Oh boy.
Hey, you see that? Give me tape in a mess.
yes, but that are your brethren. But who me, you know, one of my brethren. I'm a good brethren.
Mas Nevie, we can't believe you.
No, who that come from?
Mas Nevie, where toilet eh?
Don't so.
Down where?
One toilet no come.
No, sir.
Mas Nevie, we are
Send
the
one toilet.
Me no get it party. I see when me get the cement and the lumber.
The cement and what, Mas Nevie?
The lumber thing.
You say get cement and lumber. No man, then you have it in stock and we call and they say they send it.
No get it, miss. Don't come here, man.
You don't come here.
No, man.
Mas Nevie, where you vex for? What trouble you?
Jesus.
Don't get it, man. Don't come here.
You know, that's it, though, sir. When I go back some man, for me, have me say, for me, have sense, me never vex it.
Take off the tea off if I know to boil out.
Which side we have to keep?
Take it on. Do this up at first.
Alright.
You start that one?
Which side? Oh. Okay.
When I go back, sit on the party. When I want to put me here, so.
Alright. Mr. Nevie.
Mas Nevie, you can't vex with me now.
You mad, man.
No, me not mad.
You could have never vex with you, man. You would never in alive. Not under my dead body, if I'm dead and gone, I remember kindness. If a man do me
So
one,
you remember when you're dead?
God, your body dead, but your soul alright. Whenever do me 100 bad and do me one kindness, me take you one kindness, make it 100 bad.
My grandmother say.
No, can't say.
You told me I'm full, Mr. Nevie.
I say the one that the card that me have to dash it turn over, you know. The one where you put out the last card that so. It turn over. I have to put it here so all the water so when it down. Me get it go back up. Me have some back. Me have some back. You see back when me
Step ladder.
Mas Nevie.
One letter there, sir.
Let me match it so you have them. Let me check our stove.
You know?
Could have remember you, man. Without anything there, man. Yeah, them things in your mind,
okay.
you know, if you had them the intention.
Oh. You know, work it mash up bad, man.
Not trying to.
Oh. It light. Mas everybody's overworked, man.
What the is
Are you not working on Mas Nevie? See stove light there.
Nice flames it again.
Good Lord, gosh, I'll Peter come and turn on the stove. I'm turn on. I must
The cylinder, it gas, it turn
Mr.
off.
White?
Regulator, it turn off.
a regulator turn off.
Mr. White,
You know, that me I see.
the order you see,
that me-
that you sent, the one where we buy the toilet. Master Nevie said the toilet not come, it's just the cement and the lumber.
Don't come.
Me no know, but we come now and no toilet not there. Just get the lumber and the two bag of cement.
I man carry cement come put in here so. I me take up
And him
lumber.
say,
I me take up lumber them water door there. And put on lumber water door carry 2 bags of cement come put on in here so.
So my bucket that me down.
and look how we could have they bring it, Mr. White.
Yes sir.
See up on your son.
I can sugar in.
Oh.
See sugar in a plate.
Yes.
Put it on the pan, man. Take your food.
It's hard now because you know how the terrain stay up in the bushes here. No. Over Mass Nevie up in New Hope.
And we want it everything.
Yeah. So you think we could get it? You think we could get it this morning?
Put your light in your pocket.
Huh?
Put your light in.
Oh.
Oh yeah, though. You can't turn up on that, you know.
What I could do,
What's the leather?
Yeah, it was later.
I could carry things
You want something to rest it on?
Okay. Come up. Oh boy, we don't have a 4x4. We're so right. So we're in New Hope, would you leave it? Because we can't come out now, you know?
Yeah, keep moving.
Oh, you want something to move?
I use the leather wrong.
This can't go there, though. It's not like
Simba. Alright.
I who that know?
What you want need to measure.
Down by the crossroad that they have the shop?
Wait, man, does any come down there?
No, he says he has beside the church.
Yes, man, they know so.
They make you left with them, man. Left with them a petal house, yes, sir.
Talk to him.
Yeah, Mr. White.
Peter, no, did they know?
Mr. White. What go on? Yeah, deal it. You can't lift it down a land strap, you know.
Oh, yes, sir.
Me and good God.
No, oh God, man, I can't get
Down
water.
a lands, man, wickedly.
Can't just your water party.
When you send off here, please, so we can go feed.
You can make up Uncle Leather, man.
Thanks.
Build up Uncle Leather party.
Where's Nevie?
I must say, I go dash one and do my water, but me can't do that stuff.
The rain not fall every day,
I
man.
have to go have my clothes.
You can't do so much water.
Water and this one too.
But you want something for make one leather.
So I'm to the leather we had. We pull it.
We did that, man, but we are going to
Make Uncle Leather, man.
leather, you know, man.
Check the leather one.
Make Uncle Leather party.
And I leather have a problem.
Water.
Yeah, leather.
You know what? Then,
If you're not your bag, this.
yes, I mean,
How many is a bag, Nevie?
me go a shop, say, man, go buy that if you say me I go cook soup, you know.
This man you got a shop?
Yes,
So you come, put it on the sofa.
a dog, they me afraid of.
Oh, and buy meat.
Chicken neck. And we have chicken there. So you cook so much meat.
I tell me never know so now come party.
You know, you feel no say we are coming. You have phone, we can call you.
Yes, they know that me have to go buy that there. We go buy some
We
more.
can't be near.
So look here now.
Yes, ma'am.
Not you, Mass Nevie. Well, you too.
Yes, sir.
Even.
Yeah.
So one of the drum full to the top and the other two is halfway. You can't bail out some and full this to the brim and then you can just.
They have to be sanitary.
Use that one, yeah, man. Use that one.
Because
Where are you?
Yeah.
Water.
this
You
one
know,
is,
see bucket there, man.
Alright.
and just because that one 3/4 I can take good amount.
Yes, man. You know,
So you just pour out whatever. That one full.
Don't party. Don't church. Yes, sir. Me not go to church, brother. But remember God. I always do it.
Yeah, go leave the case.
Must if you're drinking tea.
I mean, I said that. Why you see them, you know,
You know, eat from yesterday.
Last time, you know, no dinner.
Eh? And look how this stuff there at work.
I turned it off, man. Something very wrong with it.
So God know why we never get this stove.
Yet.
Because if we had gotten it, it would have been a waste of resource because this stove at work.
Yeah.
So I wonder what happened when Mass Nevie can manage to light it.
Is this cylinder turn off?
You know that, man.
Oh,
That, man.
Lord.
Touch nothing there, sir. Last night.
Oh,
Oh,
Don't put
Jesus.
your hand there, sir.
I'm going to tell me I turn on.
Hello, technician.
I you know, say I'm turn off the door.
I will turn off here. What come here? You have people that come here. We need to know.
Oh, that the one you want even.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay.
When we can't cook me dinner tonight. What I cook it on the fire too.
You see, oh, God bless you.
Me, man.
Eh?
Yeah, God bless the man, somebody, man.
You see,
Yeah, God bless the brother.
Can sheet on where I go, man.
Nobody can stop me. Yes, you can get and give me a $500.
So look here, suppose we want the sheet. We still have to give the $500?
I know you want it.
I will want to get somebody.
You want the biggest body in the store, so I'm poor, so.
You're poor, so you want the $500 fish eat?
Yes, man. If you don't get to me,
Man, you're not drinking. You're not drinking another?
me not drink no, I don't care water for me.
Yeah, we're bringing a bottle of water.
Yes, but me not drink me water, the water. Me not.
You have no water. When you're there, work with under there.
No, no. We have to carry water from out there.
Want some? I only block them feet. Oh, yeah. So we just save some of the water. Where bucket? That green bucket, what you do with it?
Which one?
That one in there.
Take a one, see water in the, go in the sun, man. You know that place, see water, bucket in the sun.
Baby.
It's full of them.
Oh God, you talk so well. I mean, don't like you know the pop. You me can't carry it, make you. You me can't carry it, make you worse.
I know you're following.
Here we are following and all the time. She tell me, June.
You never can on bread.
Bread, yes. It's in the bag.
Yes.
I'm missing some work in the food night yet.
No, sir.
Food not even start cooking.
It's a great.
Good morning.
You have a general. Oi. Yeah? Okay.
Just ask what your bread, you never know.
You want the bread still?
No, sir.
No, but I want to drink the tea without tea.
I can't back home here with this going on here. See a grocery here.
Mr. David, we go chop up the chicken for me now. That's not take it away, but.
I'm not chop up here, man. We do start work first. You can put in the water.
Good
Yes, that's
talk.
what I'm basing here. So,
Watch the fire business there, Lord. Well, and then, sorry, Marcel, make even cost. Marcel, watch your foot.
yes, sir.
Alright, respect.
Come on, Sevi, when last you cook?
That me I tell you, say, brother, I'm feel that time. Oh, God, but you know, say,
So you no cook from the week start?
I will make cook, me cook Thursday. I just say, I know me have some food in our house.
We cook?
We cook already, but 2 minutes have it hot over.
From when you
That's
cook
for that,
that,
man.
you forgot to we must spoil.
How we have them as in the shadow?
What?
Where from them?
Probably in this house.
This is a rag and soap after all.
I went near bed, man.
You can't keep it with your food, man. With your food.
I know no food in this house.
Then you're based on eat out, man.
That is something they want to
It's two of them want to wash.
Left that first, Marcel. Put
You
it
want to
up.
put the chicken in the water.
I see it's something in there already. You will take wash it.
What? That no look proper.
Everything
either.
on that shirt of this.
Put away bag.
No scotch brite?
Yes, sugar right now in there too.
This one, we know, say, you don't know, say, it stays so still.
Alright.
Can you? You have new one?
Let me see. I know scratch bite that
Supposed
was.
to have new one, man, because we always carry.
Oh boy.
Put the chicken right there, so. Don't make no dark over.
Can't raise me food brother for me no eat, you know. Me weak.
Can't back for you. Can we give you looking at it? But you're not
Just put it down first.
nice setting.
What you want the scratch bite? Couldn't find one of them on the outside, man.
Hold on.
How about
One sponge.
yes, I hit me in that boat.
Oh, okay.
See Fabio.
Yes, see for that.
Alright.
Dry it here. Now we'll wash out that stuff.
Yes, sir. God bless you, sir.
That box wants to be dropped from that bed.
Well,
The box behind you. For a different song.
Dry peas and you know nothing to cook it.
You can't buy peas when it.
Rice and
Plus,
peas.
remember, Mas Nevie told us that him not like to have the peas because it done the gas.
yeah, but tell me how the pieces don't be able to make up wood fire.
So, but we don't know because last time, I
First
remember
time
you say.
remember the first time you used to, if you nobody the pizza you used to boil the one in a tin. You used to carry the cold give me, you know.
Oh,
What you
okay.
know?
So, this is food in this hour.
You know that's not just a problem.
Food that
You have a dash.
I reckon the food that.
I tell you. You put your desk on the want the dog. Put your best on me.
The dog I go give man.
No, so me not get dog. You know, so me about the chicken and the dog.
Gee, man, I don't make Mass Nevie get
The
out.
dog, you know what the dog do? He watch me, like how you see somebody watch me. I have to turn me back in there so. He come in there so I take. But the baby one pour that chicken and the dog take the leg. And with the
Why take away?
The leg.
chicken leg. Me couldn't eat it again. Couldn't eat food again. Why
Dog
put him
take
out
your
there?
leg. Oh no.
So me no give no food
They
again.
take set ya.
Eh?
You know, feed them take set in a
No,
I
sir.
don't know, I want to drop on him, Mass Nevie. So what you gonna do with it, Mass Nevie?
Give it, man. You give me it.
Me soon give you. Hold on.
What you do with it?
Me go dash your body so, sir. Me not give them.
Now go find.
No, sir. Me go dash. Me not give them either.
Me soon give Mass Nevie. Hold on.
Me say, where the night again, me have, me couldn't cook. So me have some oats and mix it. So me I put it in smoke. I put it in there, so you know.
Yeah, in the house.
Yes, my right. And I house him coming, you know. I'm going to dip him out in them. I have to dash my oats. And I tell me to all milk and everything in there. I put them for
Well,
so.
dash your rice if you have dash your. Come on, the pot to wash out.
They know that me I go do, sir.
You should dash your what?
Me?
Should dash your what?
And he put him out in there.
What's wrong with him?
Lord God.
Just take out the pot and put him out, man.
Me dash him. But you can't dash him. What dash it over, sir?
You think so when you dash it with him find the same way?
Make him find it over there, so but me not put it there.
But you don't want to eat in a yard and come back.
Me say, me never see nothing so. In the house, the dog tell me I turn that door.
So you know, I share a film different, you know.
Even when you're ready for me, you come here.
Yeah, man.
Never want to show that to me.
So you know, I share a film different, you know.
Yeah.
You have to have a dog pan different, man.
Me not-
You're gonna feel
You know what I say?
That's what me used to do now, sir. But me didn't like dog.
The dog has sense, you know.
Yes.
No, I don't go pan and he put film in it and I eat film. The dog watch me now and he put up film in that job.
You know from when me text.
Yeah, film pan.
What you find say you are dealing with
You
him
mean
and
him? Yeah, you mean say dog, say dog.
You know,
film in us, so dog say you.
you know from when me text square hit. Me text square. After me used to feed them fall up here so. But you come in and say me feed them like say for me and come in the house. And you for them about chicken in there so. And I'm my house and then come back and take chicken. Man, I think me say one ya. Me say me not happy nobody think that me go.
I eat them.
I could have raised one of them if they may take three of them, then I say one.
You get 2 eggs, not true?
Yes, sir. I may go, I baby, go down there, go buy all feed them. Me say me.
People them fall straight come out your yard, you can't control them.
And them come happen say, where me I did phone in my house. I mean, you can't phone in my house. So sometimes you come on and you all see them come in your house. And you mark the phone in my house.
Yeah.
And I will lick them down.
You should have fried too.
I said, they tell me, was say, but you know, me not like do them thing there.
Yeah.
Next time when they come, you fry them. Fry them.
Yes, sir.
So you go to church yesterday?
Yes, miss me. I go to church, missus.
Oh, okay.
Go to church, brother. For nothing, no, they want that, you know. Nothing of this world, no.
The rain never catch you though.
Yes, my rent. When I rent, when I come, the road coming like say a river. Oh, water.
Yeah, it fall really hard yesterday.
Me said, when I go to church, when I rent for me do, me get 2 shoes.
2 shoes.
When me I go there, like if I rent for today, no, me I go tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Me care what we go in the mud. So when we go to church, no, me take off that and put it down.
Yes.
And put on the one way we go to church. I mean, what, you know, no more to go to church.
You never wet up though.
Me have umbrella.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Where's something to do with it?
Sir?
You say if it show it
That's
way
about
over
so,
so.
sir. Yeah, if you go to actually no know what you're doing, man.
Too much food one time, man.
No,
But you see when me cook, so 2 minutes have the stove. So me put cook and say, well, then me I put it on for you know. Cook too much with you.
when you cook too much food.
Yeah. I may go buy a liver.
Spoil.
I don't know, pick something up here and eat.
Yes, sir.
I'm a call when I give you some.
I thought we have to say something look like so, but me have to fuck with you, know. I mean, was the rain of fall, I want to busy.
We always remember you. I want Nevie, you know what?
To this man, we go to petal that I say, me say, but you know, busy.
Busy for true, Mass Nevie.
Yes, me know too. How much, man?
I don't know, only God knows.
Wait, you're not tired.
Of course, but we still press on.
That's why we not come back and we tired.
No more tired. Oh, God, no more tired, man. You wonder every day.
But when you don't see us with the other places and we do other things.
You know, man.
Yeah. But we don't forget you, we remember you.
Yes, man.
You know, that's your way.
Yeah.
Yet. Yeah, that must be.
Yet.
You know, that's your yet.
You know, he must say that's your way.
Master Nevie, why you sit down in the smoke? Come back around this side because up here smoke accompany you.
Aye. Let's say this over. I just the man. Me have go to church and not even hot water.
Because me when me hear say you gas done, me I say Sister Petal say you say the gas done. Me I say no, Master Nevie gas can't done yet. I will just
No, sir. I'm the man with me cook hard thing, me cook it. Make a one to cook out a door, you know. I have all peas now. Me cook it out a door. But when Petal come and shake it on, he must say, you know, done. All he must turn on the stove and he not like.
because she tell us it's not working, so that's why we don't look the stove now for make you get it.
Yes, ma'am. Put on the more tell them the stove where they are in.
You can burn, you know?
Yes. Yeah. And it burn good.
Let's have to try dog food.
Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Show it to the way, sir.
You cook too much food in there, man.
Yes, sir.
It's a holy rice.
Yeah. I make cook all peas in there too.
Rice and peas and cook it.
Yeah.
And it is cook good to Nevie.
Yes, man. I mean, can't cook, man. Cook, man.
Yeah, we're full, Master Nevie.
Master Nevie, you don't need to cook more than maybe half cup of rice.
Yes,
if you,
man. That's true. That's true, man.
So if you have to fry it, you know, Master.
Eh?
No.
I tell you, tell me something do.
You know, say, the food can keep long.
Yeah.
But you know, you might be warm like every hour.
warm me every hour?
Eh?
Yeah, so that's true. For if me have rice, I know.
I agree with him about that too. Where you know?
Me warm it in the morning, I eat some.
Not spoil.
In the evening again, me warm it.
But that's too much reheating. That's too much reheating.
Make him go live under that.
Me warm, me no want to live so long, you know.
I say no live so long.
No, sir.
You can't tell God how to deal with anything. And it's a God working. When you say no live long, you make it really.
People will always say they don't want to live long. You know, Master Nevie?
You don't decide when you want to go, yeah? How long you want to live for?
Long.
If me live for next 5 years, I want next 10 years again.
Make right with God.
That me I do. That me I do party. You believe so. Me not going to party so long I lose my soul. I got church for me a little picking. Everybody tell me about God. All the lady where me live here so. And me here they come for me now. Miss Lena. And me here also me live also you know come for me and say God send for me for me never know she know. I find me. I miss glass in find you. Two we got inside God send for. I miss glass wouldn't take healing and indeed. I me come. Said we live in the yard there. Me don't know who he find me. When you say God send for me.
Yeah.
Me I miss glass. Go and miss glass before you come here. Come in my yard.
Yeah.
You shouldn't want to take Miss Glass put up here?
No, me want miss
Go to
glass to go to
church.
church too. We say get the
To get a message for you guys to come into the church.
yes, 2 hours.
I'm giving you a
But so somebody hard in their heart. Oh, me never hard.
Yeah.
Somebody tell me about God, me can't hard in my heart, you know, brother. I could have me enemy. But I don't know nothing about that.
You
No.
have them there people that to Master Nevie?
Enemy?
Yeah.
How about you, say, man?
What you do with enemy? Have them fi have you and you fi have
Me
them.
know how them, but they have me do. Plenty of them never like fish with me there, Miss Lena put me here. Down there. Plenty of them. No, man, no.
Hey, Pastor.
My
What the pastor you talk about?
she's a woman, you know.
Oh.
I feel a place every Saturday in their church, man.
Okay.
Every yesterday. Well, man, have him fatherland, this about him. Get it from him, man. This Saturday, Monday at church, man, I tell me about God, man. When he come out, when I stand out, tell me, say, when me to come to church. I don't know to come to church. If me see me come to church, you don't like it. And that's the right thing.
Then I like when you see you come to
Yes,
church.
man. The right thing.
So you go to church, you didn't see you?
You know, if you didn't see me, when they talk, is a voice that make a difference in our God, you know. When I talk, God voice me discipline, you know. It's a voice that make that difference. It's a good voice, no matter what man want to say.
Yeah.
I mean, I got church and I don't take in what they might tell me. See, I mean, that man who said the wife dead.
Man, they're back in Chudley too.
Yes, so I hear too.
You hear about him too?
Yes, man.
Trevor.
But yeah, hear things up your man's Nevie, man, more than we.
Georgie father.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I look out near the I don't know long time they married, you know. Just about a year now.
Yeah.
And your mother did around 2 years now.
Yeah.
But me say, until you have cancer, man.
Everybody will take it.
You see dog?
So what you going to do with the chicken neck?
I suppose I go take a cook, but me I go put it down till tomorrow.
But you have to season it or it'll spoil.
We buy salt, you want carny?
Yes, sir.
Master even say you must give him the chicken
You
neck.
can get it if you want it, yes.
Oh, okay.
No, you can't give away shit.
I don't understand you give her the food.
If you want it, you can get it.
You know, but the even man, even in their work.
And I be house, I'm going to work for me. When I work for me, you think it's what I work for you, you can't have that. Why give them? No, sir.
You cheating.
Can't give me shit.
You want to say
You ready? I come.
Let me put them there.
What is that? The plate them we
Let
clean.
me wash.
Put them up, please.
Master, we say if you
Put them on
put.
the fireside.
Yes, sir. You actually box them.
Which box? The box is there.
Oh, for all the personnel and so in there.
Nah, that's nothing for you, man. You have to dash away now.
Right, sir, good, sir. You know.
You throw up on your sitting.
Put it in there, sir. Put it in there
I'm more
back.
Sunday if you wash, but maybe busy.
Yes, sir. You watch, man. God bless you, man.
To you.
So your chicken at all.
Yes, ma'am. Wait,
On a barrel top outside.
oh, if I that the dog there. He hide, you know. Hide.
So whose dog, you know?
Yes, man. No, we are also come from if the girl, dog, we want around to.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I tell him about the dog. And then I said, "Him buy back me missing again." So me just me go kill him. But me now well me know miss. Me never look down a dog yet, but me go look down one day.
Oh, you
He do it too much.
go, oh, you go see him feel like him as
He come in at the house and me go hide. You know me do me hide on the door so. And we tell him go.
Then you look after him.
No, when he come in the house, he be like, "What can do?" I mean, him in there.
But suppose him bite you.
Bite me, enough me house.
No, you mean bite in a fear house, but I fear house and he come in there in the first place.
Yes, but he now go come in if he come fight me.
Oh, okay.
Now get with me. That they are me to watch, man.
Too much problem with that
You
dog.
see me have all this things in when you give me the box where me put me grocery now. I have piece of bread in there, you know. And you know say that pull the box, take him out and hop it up and take away bread, you know.
Oh no, the dog a go on bad door, Master Nevie.
Tell me never see nothing so yet, man.
Let me square off.
Yeah, see square.
You see nothing so. Me say if in there so, I'm turning there so. In the back of me. I want to tell the back of me, I will me smell me. I say what smell so. I will be looking at the dog smell so, you know.
Molly.
Molly. Then near for me, you know. Back of me, you know.
I still love you, yeah, Master Nevie.
Love dog, but them the kind of dog, miss.
I love them, the dog, too teeth.
No, me don't know how some people raise them since I don't care them. Them man. If I put you, me not touch it.
I will put up his straight.
He'll man in there.
Oh, even.
And my last man come here, him fall.
You want to call?
Yeah.
Fall
Fall up, me good friend, you know.
Follow did a good friend?
Yes,
No,
man.
no, I want to take for you.
Me say fall how.
Did have who? A mother?
I said, but I didn't know. I said, one time I come from Christmas, from town on Christmas. And the woman drink out every cent out of me.
How?
Drink.
How she get to do that, man, Sevi?
In a bar and come in a bar.
Oh, so you go fool on her? And she drink out your money?
In a bar and I drink.
Eh?
And come in there. I say, so much can't drink, master.
Oh, so you did like her?
Yeah, so I never.
That's why she get to drink out your money.
Drink. I told woman, I could drink, so I'm already. She. That my man not drink like the woman there. You know, people could do themselves. No, so a woman is supposed to drink so. If a man is bad, but woman. For woman, you don't know him. Oh, you don't know what they talk about. Drinking. That time I care for Christmas. I just come here, I just drink a galaxy here too. Yes, man, I hold for money, man. And them tell the things were so expensive. Like now. So say when you have $100, like no, you know how much when you have $500, have £500, you can't think about it.
Carry up. Take it up here? Open the corner there. Open the corner. You see what I grab it?
Kindly pot.
Master.
This one?
Yeah.
Me I tell you, sir.
We never. Maybe if you drop it down.
Because the one they want drop down.
Maybe if you turn them over and liquor.
Me
I get the level it and
Everything what I know.
I tell you, part if stamp and blow, you hold it.
So chop this.
yeah, it does.
When the breeze blow the whole.
One time, you know? Where is it, Nevie?
When the breeze blows at the whole house, the whole of the thing might flap up. Me I say, I don't know how it flap up so.
When the video,
Yes.
let me sing ya.
Yes, all the corner there, so I two for your corner there. If you me I say the post stamp come, me I say look like say the breeze come on that, you know.
This one.
The breeze come.
This is the point for you also. You don't want to feel. You don't want to feel. I don't know what you're doing with it. Yeah, Mark, this aside and this aside.
But if I'm at one side, you know, I can use this and this.
Yeah, we use one card.
When I use one card. Just a cut. Major cut put in. No.
Hi.
I'm going around.
All right, take care. You did, huh?
Sally, me did that play mine.
Oh.
Morning, you see boom?
No. Sally feel like telling me no. I'm never here still like this in front of me.
Okay. We will find him.
They always him. He always go to.
Now, see me? First I week, Nevie. Huh?
Now,
Whose phone ringing?
Check if I'm my one.
No.
Even your phone up on silent, can vibrate.
Alright guys, so this is what we have done so far. So in a moment we will be putting up the ceiling. The rain is coming, so don't know.
We don't want to get wet in here.
Now wait, man.
Now wait.
I two line me save. Can you say save line and I two me see today?
So which one I right one?
I should have asked you which one to save. But you be obedient, me just save line.
Can't go wrong.
Yes, man, go on, get me red rice and maybe I'll cook for him.
The chicken will have a cut up with me.
The chicken not cut up yet, chicken not out.
Must out I know.
Maybe if you get up, go help me, you know, far with the reach. Sit down and look out the road.
He said that don't already.
Come on, go help me. It's not like you're a supervisor.
Can't do it again, don't Mas Nevie?
You used to work with that carpenter man.
You used to work with carpenter man.
You think you're a supervisor? Come.
Work with carpenter food.
Oh wow.
It's on the front side 22. On the front side too.
What kind of measurement that you have to measure?
Cut it on the front side. Gancho.
Yeah.
So 21 and 78, you don't reach 22.
No.
That's all?
Watch me now. You just mark it on the front side too. Yeah.
That's 78.
Yes, sir.
We're going to leave you now.
If to type play could then put over me.
Salitex.
Yeah, you're not going to get put up today.
Hear that, Mas Nevie? The rain is coming. So guys, we're praying that we'll be able to start to put up some of the ceiling. If I even, Mas Nevie say, if I even do a piece overhead.
Then you see what if I pack up your so you're not going to eat.
Yeah, go on then, Mas Nevie. Okay.
One, two piece overhead and look how much you got this now.
So guys, just want to use the opportunity again to say thank you to Lady D from England for sending groceries from us, Nevie. And also our other donor who donated the blanket and the sheet.
So I say I take back your blanket for Nevie.
And I also want to say thank you because what I never mentioned before is a tin of paint that we brought and it was donated by another anonymous donor. Should have sent the money a good while ago since we would have started the building. We just managed to buy it, so it is here, and we just want to say thank you. Mas Nevie can take up his stuff because the rain is coming down. So as it has started to rain. Mas Nevie, we also have a donor who sent monetary donation for you here. She sent monetary donation for you. I'll give it to you after a while, yeah? Yes. So we just want to say thanks to everyone. Yes, and we are very grateful. Thank you for helping out Mas Nevie, for helping us to be able to assist him as well. Yeah. 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 Yes, that's true.
All the technique, and that didn't have a stove. I would pay me up with the fan. And if you are big, a sheet and a big, you know. You know, look at the open sometimes a rain fall. Make then I can't look in. Man, say God help me, man. God.
Yeah.
Yes, you know.
God be praised, the Mas Nevie.
Oh God, God help me so.
Yeah.
I'm glad for this storm. I'm here.
Oh, you're glad for this storm? Oh boy, if I never this storm, you wouldn't have this house.
Oh God.
Yeah. Yeah. It don't seem that way because the sun come out.
So this one 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four length.
A lot.
Two length a lot.
Plus the pieces that want to go in.
Oh, so that would that be like about 4 lengths? Oh. Alright guys, so the plan for today was to come put up the ceiling bed and actually put up the solitics. However, based on the time that it has taken us to put up the ceiling bed, it seemed like it's another day for the ceiling, for the solitics to go up. So because it has started to rain. So, but we'll continue to work and see how it goes, and we will keep you up to date. So just want to say thanks to everyone again. Thank you for your continued support. Special thank you to Mas Even. Bless up Marcel. Alright, and Mas Nevie. Say bye to everyone.
Bye to everyone and thank you very much.
Yes. Yeah, man, bless up all our donors. Alright, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.